Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how keyframes work for video editing in CapCut. So, if you want to know where is the keyframe here, I'm going to show you. Let's try to click on the video here on the main track or on the timeline, and you'll find this diamond shape icon. So this is where keyframe is on the CapCut Mobile. So let's try to add a keyframe at the start of my video, and here let's try to add it at the center. I think. Okay, now in here you can make some changes by adding a keyframe. So for example, you want to zoom in or change the position or the color adjustment. For example, let's try to zoom in, for example, like this, and your video will be moved based on the keyframe. So if you want to zoom out again, you can add another keyframe at the end and zoom out, and it will be back to its original position. So that's how keyframes work on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.